I should just explain a little bit about the sounds. There's many different ways that you can produce this noise. Some of it is on everything on exhalation. Some of it is inhaling for parts, and some of it is all inhalation. But here, I'll just give you some small examples. Like, there's a song that you give the deep part on the exhalation and then a high note on the inhalation, like so when you're inhaling, you teach your throat how to make a noise. There's other noises that are exhaling for everything, and it's a little more difficult because you have to learn how to splice the notes, going from high to low in one time. So you're making a noise like high up with your normal talking voice and in your nasal cavity, and then dropping it really quickly into your epiglottis. And then you can start to play with the inhalations and exhalations and with your mouth. It doesn't have to be so simple, like doing this. So you're doing essentially the same thing as this, but you're playing only with your mouth. And then there's some of the songs have only deep tones, and then you teach yourself to inhale very sharply and quickly in between the sounds. And you can actually make the deep sound going in as well. So there's all sorts of various ways of doing this type of singing. It's quite difficult to teach yourself how to do. Like, you probably have to sing for a while, practicing with this. Some of the people that I've tried to teach to throat sing, I tell them they have to spend 1 year trying to sound like their dog first, like growling. It's the initial thing. And once you get that down, then you can start thinking about getting into the more complicated stuff. Yeah.